Hey guys, if you could please sign my petition to inspire It's Alex Clark to tour in Northern Ireland, all you need to do is fill out this short amount of information. You could make up a fake address if you don't want, or you could also hide your name or a comment. Privacy is respected. It doesn't take that long to sign the petition. Thank you. Quickly before we start the video, if you didn't already know, we have merch now available, including t-shirts, mugs, bags, and more. There will be more designs coming soon. Click the link below to get yours today. Thank you. Hello guys, what is happening? Welcome back to a brand new video, and as you know, you're running out of content, I'm running out of content, so what better way to make content than to do random ass unboxings of things we buy online. But I desperately needed this for my MacBook. I'm going to pull it up right now. You're probably like assuming it's like the MacBook Pro or something. This MacBook here, this sexy beast here, done me since 2016, amazing device. Mac OS is the way to go. Anyway, my personal facts aside, I needed to get more storage. Now what I mean by that is a way to back up my device more easily, a way to save some of my videos on something else, external storage. But this is the only colour that it came in, so it's not like it's a fancy ass colour. But what it is, well, let's check it out. It could be something else that Western Digital just decided to throw in there, or UPS just decided to swap my order. Imagine you're found with something really embarrassing, but it turns out like UPS or Royal Mail, whatever it is, they just decided to like swap your order with someone else's. That'll be hilarious. Or you like pick up someone else's order, or you're expecting something and you get it and then you open it, but you read the label and it turns out it's for someone like next door or something. It's like something really embarrassing or whatever. Oh, I want to open it, but I don't want to rip. It's very weird. It's a weird box, but okay. And here we go. My passport for Mac. 2 terabytes. It says there, 2 terabytes. It was like £54. I think it was on sale, as opposed to, was it 90 or something? So I was just like, yeah. It's not because it was on sale, it's because I needed external storage, but I got that particular one because it was for my Mac, and I just thought it'd be easier to get one for your Mac. So, you know, whatever, it says Mac. My main purpose for it is for a Mac, so just get it for a Mac, whatever. My time ready, it's time machine ready, meaning Mac OS uses Time Machine, which is basically an application or a wizard that helps you back up your data. And USB-C, because this MacBook has USB-C, which I'm sure if you're familiar with the device you know this anyway, but I'm trying to give you more content basically. USB-C there. This is a case. My Mac isn't actually broken. This is like my bottom case, and this is a top case. I got this at TK Maxx, so I sound so gay saying TK Maxx, you know, like a guy. When does a guy go to there? But they do have actually really nice. I think my phone, you know, just goes off, you know, during a video, as it does. Easy to use, password protected. And I'm not going to be getting any ideas from password protection. I'm just using it to be genuine. It helps secure your content, basically, all that good stuff. High Sierra El Capitan. I really hope it's compatible with Mojave and Catalina, but I'm sure it will be. You have to download extra drivers for it to work on Windows, but who uses Windows besides like the majority of PC owners? But whatever. But yeah, it's mainly Mac certified. I'm surprised Apple just didn't slap their logo on it and call it a day, but they have storage on their website, which is horrendously expensive. But anyway, oh, my order's here, really? Wow, I didn't know that. Okay, here we go. the fucking high-end fucking packaging. Like it's a fucking plastic toy or something. So you got the device there. I don't think it has a case, or it's in a case. It'd be really cool though. The moment of... Come on. There we go. Sorry, this... You know what? I'm gonna I think it was this side. I'm gonna do this because I took it off, but it wasn't on camera, so... Pretty nice. Now, I do have another... This isn't Western Digital. This is like some... Like... I don't want to say crap because my dad gave it to me. I don't want to seem ungrateful, but it really wasn't that good. So as you can see, it's kind of thicker, but similar enough. So let's see if it fits in here. Kind of reminds me of the PS4 in a way, if that is correct. But yeah, so here's the weird ass connection port you plug it into. I really am embarrassed that it took me this long to get a hard drive because I really should have got one before I was thinking about it, but since I'm in a better financial position, I did. So what I'm basically going to do is perform a backup using Time Machine, and then I'm going to back up some of the videos. Okay, it's actually plugged in. It just was needed to get it in there for the first time, I guess. Good thing with USB-C is it goes both ways. And it gives you an LED light to tell you it's on. What's not on is having the sticky stuff on it. So, and it says, do you want to... Oh, look! It automatically comes up. Do you want to use it as a backup? So, use as backup disk. Okay. I should have the initiative to show you. So, last backed up, never, none. We're going to back up all this stuff. So, basically, we're going to back up the hard drive. So, select disk, if you can even see it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching the video. This isn't sponsored, I have to clarify that, but I will have a link below which won't financially help me, but it will help you because it should be still on sale for if you need a hard drive. Also, they have other hard drives for gaming, it's for Windows, for both Windows and Mac OS. Okay guys, quick update. It turns out you actually needed to wait for it to start the backup, but you didn't need to do anything. You just hit... Like I hit, do you want to use this as a backup? You hit yes. And then it just backs up itself. So this would be good for installing Catalina. Or we're installing another version of Mac OS. And, in case anything goes wrong. I would also suggest using it just because, it's good to have a backup of your devices. I've backed up my phone and my tablet onto my Mac. And then my Mac onto a hard drive, so if anything goes wrong, you got that. Just having a set, maybe you can do it online, whatever. I just decided to get it for like £50, 2 terabytes. And it's actually only 389 gigabytes that we need to back up. I'll be doing that every so often, not forever, but every so often. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, guys. Have a good one. Peace. Da-da-da. Yeah.